So young Jamaican football star Dujuan Whisper Richards is out on loan at Leicester City in the championships. A predictable move by his parent club Chelsea, and a good move for Whisper, who, injuries aside, would continue to struggle to get into that loaded Chelsea team. And at 20 years old, he's not a kid anymore. For his own personal development, he needs to be playing regular big man football in order to maximize his potential. And of course, this move will also benefit Jamaica's last gasp effort of qualifying for the World Cup. With more playing time, Whisper should now get fitter and more match sharp over the next couple of weeks, heading into the Intercontinental qualifying tournament. So this is an up move for Whisper and a smart move for his parent club, Chelsea, who instructively decided to loan him out instead of sell him out. So big up. Big up. Whisper, me a whisper.